In this video, I'm showing you how I leveled up my lighting for under $35 as a new YouTuber for more views. From my first video with room light only and back camera to back camera and room light, then to a single Raleno SoftBox Light, and finally the Raleno SoftBox with a simple background relight edit on CapCut. The Raleno single softbox lighting kit came in this small box which is not heavy. Inside is the consistent light bulb, the softbox, and the stand. The packaging is light and compact, all very easy to assemble. Here's the bulb, securely packaged. Once I took it out of the softbox, I opened it up and pressed down on the centerpiece until it clicked. Then I attached the bulb just as with any other bulb. This translucent cover creates the soft lighting effect. Easily secure the Velcro strips on all four sides. Now for the stand. Pull down on the legs and tighten at the angle you want. All you're really doing is to find each joint and pull up to the height you want and tighten. It's very straightforward to attach the softbox at the top and tighten it in place, as you see me doing here. All I'm doing is just tightening it in place. It's also adjustable to different angles, and that's what I'm showing now. I'm 5'6" and this is the maximum height. As you've seen, the kit is simple to assemble and lightweight. Now let's see it in action. This is the room in complete darkness. I bought this LED light strip, but I installed it too low to be a background light. So I use these Christmas lights around the plant, and here is the Raleno softbox, and wow, it's more powerful than I thought it would be. The pros of this lighting kit are, first, the affordable price. Budgeting is so important for our small channels under 500 subscribers. Second, it doesn't take up much space. Third, it allows me to film at night, and I know many of us don't have a convenient space to set up for filming that has good natural light, and this is a great solution. I like this Raleno kit, but I've seen two potentially better softbox options within the same price range. My bulb is really bright, so this Skytech softbox kit with dimmable lights and a remote that adjusts the temperature could be a good option, and it's available at a similar price. After I got my lighting kit, I found this Raleno softbox with interchangeable colored coverings for the bulb, and that could be useful for filming B-roll, and it's for the same price as my Raleno kit. If you're watching this in July, don't forget Amazon's Prime Day means even bigger savings. So remember, my first video looked like this, and now here's the finished look of my latest video with the Raleno softbox light placed slightly off to the side and with CapCut edited background lighting. I just think that for under $40, it's a fantastic investment to help your videos to look more professional. If you're interested in getting this light, I do have a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you do decide to use it to purchase, it helps to support my channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. May we all achieve success on this platform.